All right, let's cut to the chase. Fanhome is discontinuing the Enterprise D. They're also discontinuing the Optimus Prime and the DeLorean from Back to the Future. The DeLorean's a really good build. You do have, the silver lining is, you do have a couple weeks at the time I'm filming this to sign up. That's a personal decision if you trust Fanhome. So far, they have not missed a shipment for me. They did take over the Enterprise and the DeLorean from Eagle Moss, so I am thankful that I was able to get kits from Fanhome, and they're sending them to me. I'm doing vids on them to finish my build. But you can still start this. You got a couple weeks at the time I film this. The other silver lining is, you know, people like me, if you're live on the build, so to speak, if you're in the process, they're not just going to kill this thing. They're going to keep sending the kits until we're done. What they're going to do is, you know, between 2 and 5 weeks, depending on demand. I guess they have so many, you know, kits starting at kit 1, you know, until they get those sold. Once the last ones are sold, boom, it shuts off. So they're saying 2 to 5 weeks, depending on demand, and then it'll be closed ASAP. Kind of sad, but their reasoning is they can only have so many of these Partworks kits in progress at the same time, and they have some new ones they want to bring out in 2024. So that's kind of cool. It just shows you there is a life cycle to these. It's not a forever thing. Will this Enterprise become collectible later? If you have one, if you built one, I don't know, because it's something you built on your own. Some people are heavily modifying theirs. Mine's mostly as it came, as it's coming in the kit, so mine's probably going to have tons of light leaks. So, you know, probably someone's not going to pay for that. Maybe, you know, I don't plan on selling it. I thought about giving it away to somebody that I know later on, but I probably won't because he's kind of an a-hole anyway, E-Bomy. But that's it. I just thought I'd share the news in case you're thinking about it. And it really kind of, I do have my next box here. I'm actually a couple of boxes behind on shipment as far as me building it. So I have a couple boxes on hand to catch up on. My next one is 16, book 16. So we're getting into some secondary hull stuff. What is it, star drive? Someone likes to correct me all the time on what I call things, but a few more dilly-dallying with the bottom part of the saucer. You know, why wouldn't we start on a whole other part of the ship to keep track of? Personal decision if you're going to start up on these, because it's a lot of time, a lot of things invested in it as far as money and time, and a lot of table space, to be frank about it. But I am going to keep doing videos on these shipments as long as I get them. The wind is a little bit out of my sails as far as, do I keep doing the detail that I was doing before? Do I try to get up close, show you every little part? I know I suffer from some lighting in here, but I was trying my best to really kind of do a step-by-step on building it. Do I even do that now? If these aren't even going to be available after I'm done, is there any value to that in YouTube, or is it just more fun to me make shorter vids? You let me know in the comments down below. Shorter vids, like I do all this whole kit. I just do maybe some accelerated building, time lapse, or just like the before and after of a whole, you know, kit or whole box being done, and just have shorter vids instead of those long ones. Post up down below. That's a decision I got to make. Value. My time is worth a lot more. I don't make any money off of doing these vids, so to speak. I mean, 100 views doesn't, you know, you might see a commercial on there, but I'm not getting any money from 100 views. So I have a real job that has taken up a lot of my time, as much time as this has taken up table space. Post up down below. All is not lost, but we're in a shift on what Fanhome is offering this year, for sure. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Boom.